Have you ever wondered about the celestial bodies suspended in the vast expanse of space, orbiting the sun in a harmonious cosmic ballet? Well, ponder no more as today we journey through the solar system, exploring each planet in detail. We begin our odyssey with Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Mercury, named after the Roman messenger god, is a rocky world scarred with craters and pocked by intense temperatures. It orbits the sun in just 88 days, making it the fastest planet in our solar system. Next, we find Venus, the second planet from the sun. A world shrouded in mystery and thick clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus is Earth's sinister twin. Despite its hostile environment, Venus shines the brightest of all planets in our night sky. Earth, our home, is the third rock from the sun. It's a unique oasis in the solar system, the only known celestial body to support life. With its diverse landscapes, vast oceans, and breathable atmosphere, Earth stands as a testament to the beauty and complexity of life. Mars, our neighboring red planet, is the fourth planet from the sun. Known for its striking red color due to iron oxide or rust on its surface, Mars has been the subject of numerous explorations for potential signs of past life. Jupiter, the fifth planet from the sun, is the largest in our solar system. A gas giant with an iconic red spot, Jupiter is a turbulent world with a strong magnetic field and dozens of moons. Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun, is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. It's a gas giant like Jupiter, with a complex system of moons and a unique hexagonal storm at its north pole. Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun, is a blue-green gas giant known for its unusual tilt. It spins on its side, possibly due to a catastrophic collision in its past. Finally, Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the sun, is a dark, cold world with strong winds and large storms. It's known for its deep blue color due to methane in its atmosphere. Our journey through the solar system takes us from the scorching surface of Mercury to the cold, distant reaches of Neptune. We've explored the craters of Mercury, the hostile environment of Venus, the life-supporting conditions of Earth, the red landscapes of Mars, the turbulent atmosphere of Jupiter, the stunning rings of Saturn, the unusual tilt of Uranus, and the cold winds of Neptune. In essence, our solar system is a cosmic marvel, each planet unique in its composition and characteristics. It's a testament to the vast, diverse, and mysterious universe that stretches beyond our reach. As we continue to explore and understand these celestial bodies, we are reminded of our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. We are but a small part of a much larger, ever-evolving universe. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring. The universe is yours to discover.